In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GetResponse account. We'll walk through the entire sign-up process together, step by step, so you can start using GetResponse without any confusion. By the end of this video, you'll have your account created and be fully logged in. First, open your web browser and go to the official GetResponse website. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Sign Up Free. This is the button you'll use to start creating your account. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking, you'll be taken to the main sign-up page. Here, you'll be asked to provide some basic information. Start by entering your full name. Use your real name so that your account details and any future invoices or communications are accurate. Next, type in the email address you want to use with GetResponse. Make sure this is an email you can easily access because you may need it for confirmations or password resets later on. Now, create a strong password for your account. Try to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that's easy to guess. If you prefer, you might also see options to sign up using an existing Microsoft or Google account. Using one of these can make the login process simpler, especially if you already stay signed in on your device. Once you've entered your details or chosen your preferred sign-in method, click on the Create Free Account button. The page will reload and you'll move on to the next part of the setup. Here, you'll be asked for a bit more personal information: your first name, your last name, and the country you're located in. Take a moment to select the correct country from the list. You'll also see optional fields where you can enter your phone number and your company name. These are not required, so you can leave them blank if you want, but adding them can be helpful if you're using GetResponse for business purposes. When you're done, click Next Step. On the following screen, you'll be asked to enter your address details. Fill in your street address, your zip or postal code, your city, and your state or province. This information is often used for billing, localization, and compliance with regulations, so it's important to enter it accurately. After you've completed all the required fields, click Next Step again. Once you've done that, your basic setup is complete and you'll be logged into your new GetResponse account. From here, you can start exploring the dashboard, setting up email campaigns, or customizing your profile, knowing that your account has been created correctly.